Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap here, go to My Apps and Games, and here you can see all of your apps which are not up to date. You can update them one by one by tapping update button next to them, or you can just tap update all and update them all at once, but this could take some time, so decide for yourself how you want to update your unupdated apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.